guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This week's video is a modest summertime staples video. Hopefully I can tell you guys how to curate the best cool outfit for the summertime without getting really frustrated with wearing a hijab and wearing so many layers. So my first summer staple is linen. Linen is one of those fabrics you definitely want in your closet in the summertime. I will be honest, this is a fabric that I don't have a lot of in my closet, only because I find that it's very seasonal, so I can only wear it in summer. But with that being said, it is definitely worth every penny to have a few items, a top and a pair of pants, even one or two of each for the summer times, because you guys, this fabric in particular is loosely woven, so it allows heat to escape your body and keeps you cool throughout the hot temperatures and hot summer days. I never believed in this. I'm like, oh, I don't need linen, but after doing a lot of research and after testing it out myself, I can almost vouch and guarantee that linen will keep you cool amongst any other fabric. So what I have here is a linen top. Like I said, you can go for linen bottoms. I also have some linen bottoms that I love. I just picked these up from H&M, and I just picked up this top from H&M as well, but they also have one identical on Mango's website, so I will link all the items that I mentioned in the description bar below. But either a linen top or a pair of linen bottoms are so practical for the summertime. I especially love a white linen blouse because you can just wear it so many different ways. I paired it with long flared jeans and I think it looks so sophisticated, so classic, so timeless. I loved the way this looked, and you can definitely wear a button-down linen top in so many different ways. I liked it a little bit half tucked in and half out, just so it looks a little bit more effortless. You can also tuck the entire thing in if you have looser jeans. You can also do a white on white look, which I think is so beautiful for summer, a crisp white look. I also think this would look beautiful linen on linen, so you can even pair it with linen trousers and tuck it in if you wanted to. And you can also wear this normally buttoned all the way down and just wear bootcut jeans. I think that would also look gorgeous. So yeah, definitely try to find a linen top. It doesn't have to be like a blouse that is buttoned down. You can also find linen tops that are kind of more tunic style, which I think are so beautiful if you pair it with like white skinny jeans. So yeah, definitely my first staple item would be linen fabric. The second staple that I recommend for summer are dusters. Now, not all dusters are created equal. I am advocating for dusters that are super lightweight and almost basically transparent. Now, I know this kind of defeats the purpose of being modest and providing the extra coverage, but hear me out. If you do this properly, then I think you can get away with it. So what I like to do is have my layering pieces, so just a top and my jeans, to be loose. That way you already have a modest base layer, and now all you're doing is adding a duster either for like more texture to your outfit, for more style, or just for a third layer so it gives you extra coverage. This one is from Boohoo. It is a super flowy, really sheer kimono. I really like how it has really big sleeves. It's really long, so it's completely maxi, and it also has like a tie waist thing, so you can make it a little bit more fitted, or you can keep it open if you want a really easy breezy look. I also have two other dusters that I got from Boohoo, which I love. I think these are so good. Boohoo is not the best quality, I will admit, but I do like it for the summertime because they are really, really lightweight. So I have this mint one. I have this in the tan color and the pink color as well because I liked it so much. The fit of this is really amazing. Definitely not the best quality again, but really good fit. And I also loved that it has bell sleeves. So yeah, I really recommend dusters in the summertime. For me, it is like a no-brainer outfit. Like if I don't know what to wear, I throw on the same long sleeve white top, a pair of jeans, and then I throw this on top, and it looks like I put in so much thought into my outfit when honestly all I did was throw on a duster. The next summer staple I have are light wash denim. Now the reason why I chose light wash is because when you're out in the sun, heat will reflect off of lighter colors. So if you're gonna wear jeans, definitely go for lighter jeans because denim itself is already a really thick and dense fabric. So you will feel much hotter in denim as opposed to like joggers or linen pants or any other type of fabric. But with that being said, there are some little tips and tricks that you can do to keep yourself still cool. So what you want to focus on is the style and cut of your jeans. Not all jeans are made equal. Definitely stay away from skinny jeans if you can. I prefer in the summertime mom jeans, boyfriend jeans, bootcut jeans, or flare jeans. Those are like my four go-to jeans throughout the year anyway. So I have these pair from Zara that I absolutely love. I literally wear these all the time. If you see jeans on my Instagram, most likely it is this pair. So these are amazing because they're just like really loose, and they're boot cut, so they don't stick to my skin and make me feel super sweaty. And let's be real, it's so hard not to wear denim. It's like a staple in every American girl's closet. So definitely, if you're gonna gravitate towards denim, choose a lighter wash, and then also make sure you're choosing the right cut and style. And I feel like boot cut jeans or even mom jeans, they're fitted enough where you don't lose shape, but also they're not like really tight and hugging where you feel like hot and sweaty. So definitely my go-to, and I've already shared this before when I was doing my look, but I have these flare ones, a really good pair from Zara, so I'll put all the links down below. Moving on to the most obvious staple for the summertime, definitely maxi dresses. Maxi dresses are just so practical for summer because they're just really lightweight, they're airy, they're breezy, they're flowy. There is a lot of chances that air will come through from the bottom, from the top. So definitely it is a staple. I know it's really hard to find modest maxi dresses because normally they're not always lined all the way to the bottom. So unfortunately you do have to pair like a long sleeve top underneath and leggings even sometimes. So I will link some maxi dresses down below that are already fully lined so you can skip all the layering underneath. But these are some of my recent favorites that I picked up from H&M. I apologize, I didn't put this together better, but like, here's the dress. I am in love with this dress. This dress is so beautiful. I love the floral. I especially love that this maxi dress has really big balloon sleeves and it's really loose fitted, so it allows a lot of air to come in. You can definitely belt this around your waist to create more shape and give your body a lot more definition, but I like to keep it really loose and flowy. I feel like it complements my tall, slim figure. The last summer staple I have are loose pants. So these could be anything from trousers to joggers to the linen pants I showed to even like cut off culottes or even palazzos. So the palazzos are what I'm going to be showing you guys today. I love these. I picked these up from Zara, and the reason why I recommend palazzos or like looser fitted pants during the summertime is because they don't stick to your body and they give a lot of room for your legs to breathe. I definitely find it really difficult to wear skinny fitted pants in the summertime because, you guys, your head is already wrapped, you're already wearing a long sleeve top, like everything is just so fitted that if I could pass for something to be loose and flowy, then I will definitely go for it. Another great thing about loose flowy pants, especially like palazzo pants like one of these, is that when you wear it, it looks like you're wearing a skirt, which obviously skirts and dresses are so appropriate for the summertime. And I really love these because they're really lightweight. They are a little bit see-through, which I didn't realize until I brought it home, but I will link some down below that are more opaque and more fitted for hijabis. But yeah, any type of loose flowy pants I think are so perfect for summer. I find myself wearing joggers or trousers like the ones I showed that are linen all the time. Those are like my go-to. I run errands in them, I run to the grocery store in them, I go out with my friends for brunch in them. I find them just so perfect because they're not fitted and they also are modest. So yeah, those are my staples for summertime. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you found this video helpful. Would you wear any of these things? Do you already wear any of these things? And also, if you're not subscribed already, I would love for you to subscribe so you don't miss out any of my future videos. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!